Hey everyone, and welcome back to this class, Deep Reinforcement Learning, Deep Learning in Python Part 7. In this lecture, we are going to do a warm-up in TensorFlow, again just replacing the SGD regressor class. Again, I would strongly recommend trying to do this on your own first, now that you know what the format is going to be. The relevant file in the course repo is tfwarmup.py in the subfolder cartpole. So at the top, the imports are the same, except now we're importing TensorFlow instead of Theano. In the constructor for the SGD regressor class, we start out by printing hello TensorFlow so that you know this code is running. Next, we create our updatable params, which in TensorFlow are called variables, and we specify the shape and type of the training data, which in TensorFlow are called placeholders. Notice how W is a 2D matrix where the size of the second dimension is 1. This is because the matmul function will complain if W is one-dimensional. So later when we do prediction, we'll have to flatten this using reshape so that the prediction is one-dimensional and can be subtracted from the targets. Once we've done that, we can define the cost function, which is the squared error. Next, we initialize the parameters and start a session. Notice how I'm using interactive session here. This allows me to use the same session from within different functions. Partial fit and predict are as expected. We just call the train and predict ops we created earlier. In the main section, all we do is replace QLearning's SGD regressor with the one we just made, and then we call its main function. Let's run this and see what we get.